The TEKSHINNY LED ambient lighting kit uses 6 acrylic light strips to create a continuous, custom accent glow that looks factory installed rather than like an add-on. Its ultra-bright diodes and diffusing acrylic channels spread light very evenly so the interior stays vivid in daylight yet comfortable and not harsh at night. Through the wireless application and handheld remote, you can fine-tune brightness, pick from an enormous color palette, and quickly switch between dynamic and steady effects while driving or parked. The kit offers a huge variety of built-in animation patterns, plus do-it-yourself options, and the lights can pulse in time with music thanks to a sensitive microphone that listens to the cabin. Because the flexible strips can be trimmed and shaped around consoles, doors, and footwells, it is easy to give almost any vehicle a cohesive ambient lighting layout. Beyond cars, these strips work well as accent lighting for boats, golf carts, and even indoor spaces, making this a versatile kit for anyone who enjoys creative mood lighting.